Jordan from Mulholland Brand here, experts in gates, fencing, and railing for over 25 years. In this time, we've worked with homeowners, developers, and builders to create elegant and practical solutions to gates, fencing, and railing needs. One of the things we're known for is offering a modern and distinct style for our customers' properties to stand out from the rest. With this said, I'd like to introduce you to our glass option for gates, fencing, and railing. Glass offers a clean and elegant aesthetic, raising your property value and helping you stand out amongst your neighbors. Mulholland Brand's glass, gates, and fencing utilize aluminum framing to ensure low maintenance and strength to stand the test of time while providing security for your home. Let's discuss the ways Mulholland Brand's glass, gates, and fences are a great choice. First of all, we wouldn't be where we are today if we weren't experts in our craft. The reason customers keep coming back to us is because they're starting to understand the challenges with common materials used to combine with glass. All it takes is a little bit of water to destroy your insulation. When glass is combined with iron, water almost always finds a way in. When this happens, rust starts staining your beautiful glass and everything starts falling apart from the inside out. To make matters worse, it's very costly to fix. In many cases, just to clean or fix these issues can cost more than the installation itself. Aluminum is already commonly used for automotive components by brands like Tesla, Ford, BMW, and Audi, just to name a few. It's also a popular material for airplanes, spacecrafts, marine applications, and building construction. Aluminum's incredible strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, and aesthetic versatility make it the best price value for your property. Now that you understand the benefits of aluminum compared to other common materials, let's take a look at what makes Mulholland Brand's glass line so great. Whether you have a contemporary or Victorian look to your property, we offer black and white glass for security, and we have clear if you want to see through it. All Mulholland Brand glass installations feature durability and safety first. We laminate all of your glass panels, so in the unlikely event of a break, it won't shatter and create a safety hazard. This makes each panel easily replaceable. Mulholland Brand is known for its modern design while combining attention to detail in security and durability. In many cases, customers don't know much about the locks they're receiving on their gates. These tend to be standard cylindrical doorknobs that you can buy at the hardware store for about $15. We use high-quality mortise locks that look great and are more secure for your home. We pay attention to all of the details, even your hinges. All Mulholland Brand hinges look sleek and match the aesthetics of your gate. All Mulholland Brand gate motors are designed for maximum functionality without drawing attention away from your home. We don't use any ugly chains or large boxes. Whether you have a slide or swing gate, your installation will look great. Plus, our motors are designed to gradually stop so your gate won't slam when it opens or closes. Most people don't know what to expect when it comes to the cost of gates and fences. As you can see, the price for this door is over $5,000. While it's clear that this isn't designed for a gate, this is the going rate for a beautiful, high-quality product for your property. This pricing doesn't even include installation and delivery. But most importantly, this is not a customizable product for your property. So, if our materials are better, 100% custom for your property, and are installed and delivered by licensed, insured, and experienced contractors, then you have an understanding why our products aren't cheap. However, we all understand that high-quality, long-lasting, beautiful products aren't cheap. And cheap things aren't good. Now, when we're pricing your project, we look at several factors, such as your project objectives, property size, property terrain, material preferences, accessory preferences, your timeline, etc. It's a custom job every time. And while most competitors will tell you, it depends, here's what you can expect. On average, a simple pedestrian gate can run $1,500 to $3,500, and a driveway gate can run $6,000 to $14,000. We charge $95 to $150 per square foot for gates, and $57.50 to $75 per square foot for fences and panels. Our team of experienced project reps will walk you through the process of pricing out your installation so it's the best fit for you. And you can rest assured that you'll receive a beautiful project at the best price value. In fact, we can beat any price value of the competition on similar installations. Mulholland brand's glass line is great if you are looking for a safe, timeless, low-maintenance option. We are confident in telling you that you will be more than happy with your Mulholland brand installation. Click the button below to request pricing.